Open the foam carton and take out the microscope and accessories. Microscope head, 10 x 18 mm eyepiece. Metallurgical plan objective 5 x 10 x 50 x. Filter. Sample clamps. Charging cable and plug. Stage plate. These are the complete standard microscope and accessories. Remove the dust cover and align the hole to install the head. Tighten the screw. Remove the dust cover and install the eyepiece. Lift the mechanical stage, and install the 5 x 10 x 50 x objectives in sequence. Install the sample clamps and put the stage plate. Connect the power cord. Butterfly head inclined 45 degrees. One of eyepiece tube is diopter adjustable. The travel range of integrated stage is 30*30 mm. Coaxial coarse and fine focusing knob. Turn on the light source. And adjust the brightness by turning the knob on the base.